গাড়ি বন্ধ করে দিছে, গাড়ি বন্ধ।
We are thinking that this will be the different government than the previous government. I think Tareq Rahman won't repeat the fascist culture again, and I think he will concentrate on democratic culture, and he will get the interest of the people. He will think always the interest of the people, and the people will be the owner of this country. He will run in that way, and I think there will be huge changes. Huge changes will happen according to the BNP government, and they will get some new culture, and our political culture will be changed, and we can get a lots of improvement than the previous government, and in economy, in our culture, in our education, and everything will be changed, and we'll see a new Bangladesh, inshallah.
You are from which area? What is your name, and can you identify yourself?
I'm Saiful Islam. I'm a student activist and a student leader of Bangladesh, and my organization name is Bangladesh Jatiyo Chhatra Samaj. I am the convener of this party, Central Committee.
You are from which area?
I'm from Dhaka Gulshan.
And what your team think? What will be the changes after taking oath of the new government? What will be the changes?
I think it's a competitive government. It will be a competitive parliament. The opponent leaders are also so influential. At the mentionable name, Nahid, Hasnat, and there are lots of influential leaders in the opposition party. So I think it will be an exciting government, and this parliament will be a history, I guess. And people will enjoy this parliament. And there are lots of changes will happen, like in rural areas. I think the rural, and Barrister Amdali Brahman Partho was also a member of parliament. He's a youth icon. I think it will be so competitive and so exciting parliament, hopefully.
আটকা দেন। রাস্তাতে গাড়িটা যাক। যান বিশেষ করে যে সমস্ত গাড়ি আটকে রাখছে।